plugins. They make WordPress really powerful. They're like functionality modules that you can add to your website to make it more flexible, etc. I will show you how to add a plugin and other things like how to find their settings. And at the end I will show you my favorite plugins. Okay, so you can see that I have already installed some plugins. Akismet and Hello Dolly, they are default plugins that comes with your WordPress installation. Hello Dolly is nothing important, just adds a message in your admin screen. And Akismet is a lot more important because it prevents spam comments. So I actually talked a little about the Akismet plugin in my video about comments. Okay, so let's add a new plugin. Here you can see some popular tags. Let's try the admin tag. Okay. Anything cool here? I don't know about you, but I didn't find anything in particular. Let's try a plugin I really like SEO one pack. Okay, that didn't work. All in one SEO. Okay. Contact form then. I must admit that it can be really difficult to find the plugin you're looking for with this plugin search, but you can make it easier by using this one, this selector here. Let's try keyword instead. And there it found it pretty easily. But what you can also do is to open a new tab and search for contact form 7, which is the name of the plugin I'm looking for, and you will most likely get it at the first page in Google, and you can just download it here. Let's try that. Okay, zip it, unzip it, close the tab, and we will try both ways. Let's just try to install it directly from the control panel. You can actually also read about this plugin. I can see that it has nearly been downloaded 10 million times. So it's really popular. It's compatible with my version of WordPress. And I can see some screenshots. Yeah, how to install it, etc. Okay, so let's install it. Yep, I'm sure. Okay, and we can return to the plugin installer, or we can activate it at once, and I will do that. Okay, so most of the time when you install a plugin, you will be able to edit it in the settings section. But some plugins can be edited other places, like the contact form have its own tab. So let's click on it, and here you can see that I can add contact forms with this thing. Okay, I will not show you how to add contact forms in this video, but send me some requests if you want me to explain it, and if I get enough positive responses, maybe I will post a video about it. And that goes for my favorite plugins I will show you later as well. Okay, so let's go back to the plugins, and now this time we will delete it. And by the way, you can actually also edit its settings from here. See? This little link right here. Okay, but we will deactivate it. Okay. Be aware that edit is not the same as settings. If you click on edit, you can edit the plugin by using code, but that's for advanced users. Okay, so let's delete the contact form. It must be deactivated before you can delete it. Yes, I will delete it. And then we will try to add it by, well, manually, actually. Okay, so let's have a look at that. Okay, here we have the unzipped contact form plugin. And here we have my favorite plugins, and let's see. I will just find the folder of my WordPress installation. Okay, here you see, this is my WordPress installation. This will probably be on your server. So in order to do it this way, you must have access to your server, and then you must find the folder WP content and plugins, and here you can see my plugins, and then you must drag the plugin into this folder like this. Okay, I dropped it in the wrong place. Be sure to drop it directly in the plugins folder, not in some other plugins. And let's refresh, and there you see, it's back. Okay, let's just delete it for now. Alright, and that's pretty much it. So now I will actually show you my favorite plugins and what they do in short. Okay, W3 Total Catch. It's recommended to install it. I recommend it because it makes your website so much faster. It offers minification of your scripts and styles, and object catching, and yeah, a lot of good stuff. Robots Meta is a bit outdated, but it still works pretty good and offers you a lot of good options regarding SEO, which means search engine optimization. Q-Translate, if you want to translate something. If you want to have a multilingual website. Yeah, a lot of these plugins are for developers, so I won't recommend them in this video. Yeah, Google Sitemap Generator is great for SEO as well. Fancy box is pretty cool. It will add a lightbox to your images, so when a user clicks one of your images, it won't open in a new tab, but it will open in a lightbox, which looks so much better. Duplicate post can be handy. It allows you to, naturally duplicate the posts instead of having to make a new post from scratch. Contact Form 7, I love this plugin. I use it all the time. You can make whatever contact form you want with the file uploading, CAPTCHA, everything. Better with WordPress security is super great. It can make your website so much more secure, and it can it can do a lot of things for you. Really simple. You just click some buttons. Back WordPress up. This one is super awesome because it allows you to make automatic backups of your website. So you can tell your developer, for example, to install this plugin for you and set it up so you will get a full backup of your website files and database every Sunday, for example, and it can export this backup to your Dropbox or your mail, etc. And all-in-one SEO pack. It's really famous and it's quite nice as well. Although I prefer Robots Meta, but you can use them both. Okay, and all-in-one SEO pack can actually it lets you add titles and descriptions that will be shown for search engines. So that's really nice. And add to any. That's the last one I would recommend in this video. It adds a button to your posts and your pages if you want that. You can edit a lot of options with this plugin, but in short, it adds a button that users can use to share your let's say post with on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, all of these sites, and even via mail. So it's much better to use, in my opinion, than just Facebook and Twitter. Alright, and that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.